What happens if equipment fails during underwater welding? Have you ever wondered what could go wrong if equipment fails during underwater welding? This high-risk job comes with its own set of challenges, and equipment failure can lead to serious consequences. Let's break down what happens when things go awry beneath the waves. First, electrical shock is a major concern. Underwater welding uses high-voltage electricity in a conductive environment. If the insulation on the welding equipment fails, the welder can be electrocuted. This can lead to cardiac arrest or severe injury almost instantly. Salt water makes this risk even greater because it conducts electricity very well. Next, consider the risk of drowning. If the breathing apparatus or diving suit fails, the diver may lose their air supply or the suit could flood. Without a reliable air source, the diver is at risk of drowning. Equipment malfunctions can also make it hard to move or control buoyancy, which complicates getting to the surface safely. Another serious issue is decompression sickness, often known as the bends. If equipment failure forces a rapid ascent, nitrogen bubbles can form in the bloodstream. This can lead to joint pain, paralysis, or even death if not treated quickly. Explosions and burns are also possible. During underwater welding, hydrogen and oxygen gases are produced. If ventilation or gas management equipment fails, these gases can build up and ignite, leading to underwater explosions or severe burns. Communication is key in any high-risk job, and underwater welding is no exception. If communication devices fail, the diver becomes isolated from surface support. This delay can make emergency responses much harder during critical situations. Environmental hazards compound these risks. Poor visibility, strong currents, or cold water can make it even more difficult to manage emergencies or navigate safely when equipment fails. Underwater welders receive extensive training to handle these potential failures. They learn emergency procedures, buddy systems, and constant monitoring techniques. Despite all these precautions, the combination of electrical hazards, pressure, and the underwater environment makes equipment failure one of the most dangerous scenarios in this profession. This is part of why underwater welding is considered one of the most extreme and high-risk jobs, similar to logging, deep-sea fishing, and storm chasing, where equipment reliability can mean the difference between life and death.